Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 woodworking tools under $100 that are perfect for building your workshop on a budget. Stick around to see which ones can take your projects to the next level. Multi-Tool. The Ryobi Multi-Tool is priced at $79 and offers up to 20,000 OPM with the lowest vibration in its class for comfort and precision. It features a variable speed dial, ergonomic design, built-in LED light, and onboard hex key storage. Compatible with most accessories and part of the One Plus system, it comes with 2 blades, a sanding pad with sandpaper, and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Random Orbital Sander. The Random Orbital Sander is priced at $84 and features a 5-inch variable speed design with a powerful 3-amp motor delivering 8,000 to 12,000 OPM for efficient sanding. Its separate counterweight reduces vibration, while the rubber overmold grip ensures comfort during extended use. A low-profile body allows you to work closer to the surface, and the improved dust-sealed switch extends tool life by protecting against dust ingestion. RotoSaw Plus. The RotoSaw Plus is priced at $79 and delivers powerful freehand and plunge cutting with a 5.5 amp motor, spinning at 30,000 RPM. Lightweight and compact, it handles drywall, wood, tile, siding, sheet metal, laminate, and more with ease. Designed for precision and comfort, it features dual grip zones, a quick shut-off bump switch, and exhaust vents directed away from the operator. ProSensor M150. The ProSensor M150 is priced at $59 and delivers fast, simple, and highly accurate stud detection with no calibration required. Just press, hold, and scan. Its wide LED display shows the exact stud location, making it easy to identify edges, centers, double studs, and multiple studs with precision. Equipped with 13 sensors, it outperforms standard stud finders that typically use only 1 or 2. Parallel Clamp. The Parallel Clamp is priced at $70 and features the Bessey K-Body Revo design with large parallel jaws that clamp at a true 90 degrees. Delivering up to 1,700 pounds of clamping force with a 3 3/4 inch throat depth, it provides strong, reliable holding power. It comes equipped with 3 glue-resistant removable jaw pads, 2 rail protection pads, and a balancing end clip, all designed to protect work surfaces and improve stability during glue-ups. Arrow Staple Gun. The Arrow electric staple gun is priced at $70 and combines power, convenience, and ease of use for homeowners, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a reliable 3.6 volts lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 500 full power shots per charge, making it ideal for heavy-duty projects with T50 staples up to 1/2 inch. The cordless design allows for flexibility without the need for outlets, while the bottom-loading magazine with a viewing window makes reloading simple. Dustopper PRO. The Dustopper PRO is priced at $59 and captures over 99% of debris before it reaches your vacuum, extending filter life and keeping suction strong. It features a stronger body, improved latches, and a new gasket seal for better performance. The low-profile design fits most 5-gallon buckets and sets up in under a minute with the included hose and sweep elbows, making disposal quick and easy. Straight Edge Guide. The Straight Edge Guide is priced at $87 and helps you make precise, straight cuts in sheet goods up to 8 feet using a circular saw, jigsaw, or trim router. Its aluminum guide ensures accuracy, while built-in GripMax clamps hold it securely in place. Cut line indicators make alignment easy, giving you confidence that every cut will be exact. Trex Hideaway Color Match Screws. The Trex Hideaway Color Match screws are priced at $25 and are designed for a clean, durable finish on composite decking. Made with epoxy-coated carbon steel, they resist fading and corrosion while blending seamlessly with deck boards. Their unique design prevents mushrooming, and the patented Hex Sticks drive system ensures smooth, easy installation. Serplex Wood Rasp. The Serplex Wood Rasp is priced at $5 and offers 4 cutting surfaces in a compact dual-head design for shaping, smoothing, and detailing wood. Made from high-quality steel for durability, it withstands heavy use while remaining portable at just 7.8 inches long. Rockler Silicone Glue Mat. The Rockler Silicone Glue Mat XL is priced at $59 and protects work surfaces from heat, glue, and scratches. Measuring 23.5 inch by 30.25 inch, it's made from durable, heat-resistant silicone with a textured surface to trap debris and depressions to keep small parts from rolling away. Easy to clean, wet glue rinses off while dried glue peels away, making it a reliable, reusable barrier for workshops, garages, or home projects. T-Square Ruler. The T-Square ruler is priced at $28 and combines precision and durability for woodworking, drawing, and architectural use. Dual support lips on the handle prevent tipping while allowing easy, accurate parallel and right-angle marking by sliding a pencil through the holes. Sharpening Jig. The Sharpening Jig is priced at $59 and delivers professional results by locking in precise angles, making sharpening easy even for beginners. Built from stainless steel with bronze bearings for long-lasting durability, it securely clamps blades from 0.1 to 3.22 inch wide with an ergonomic locking knob. Precise Contour Scribe Tool. The Precise Contour Scribe Tool is priced at $13 and is designed for accurate tracing of irregular and complex shapes. Featuring a pulley end for smooth drawing and a pointer end for precision, it includes an adjustable, lockable pen holder that fits 2 to 12 millimeter markers. Mortising Attachment for Drill Press Set. The Mortising Attachment for Drill Press Set is priced at $75 and converts a drill press into a precision mortising machine. It includes a locator, press block, side positioning rod, fixed seat, and 4 chisels. Made from high-quality steel for fast, clean cuts, it fits drill presses with a 65 millimeter collar diameter and requires at least 15.7 inch vertical clearance for installation. Vise Jaw Pads. The Vise Jaw Pads are priced at $18 and includes 6-inch soft standard pads and 5.5-inch multi-groove pads for use with most vices, clamps, and drill presses. Made from aluminum with non-marring surfaces, they protect both hard and soft workpieces. Bench Vise. The Bench Vise is priced at $51 and is built from high-quality steel castings with hardened jaws for strength and durability. It features a 360-degree spherical head with up to 45-degree tilt, offering flexible multi-angle clamping for woodworking, metalwork, and DIY projects. The set includes installation hardware, protective covers, and gaskets, with a jaw opening of 3.2 inches and a maximum height of 12.5 inches. Angle Finder. The Angle Finder is priced at $18 and features a stainless steel protractor with laser-etched markings for accurate 0 degrees to 180 degrees measurements. Its adjustable arm locks securely with a knurled thumb nut, making it ideal for setting bevels, marking angles, and drawing lines. Durable and versatile, it's suited for woodworking, engineering, architecture, and student use. 3D Multi-Angle Carpenter Square. The 3D Multi-Angle Carpenter Square is priced at $6 and is made of durable aluminum alloy with a smooth anodized finish for corrosion resistance and precision. It features a 6-hole design for marking angles from 22.5 degrees to 90 degrees, with 1/16-inch increment holes for accurate parallel lines and mortise marking. Woodworking Set. The Woodworking Set is priced at $25 and includes precision ruler tools with a 2-inch sliding attachment for accurate lines and a dual-purpose setup block for fast machine calibration. With a benchmark ruler, lockable holes, a curved 5-inch notch, and a mechanical pencil, it ensures quick, precise marking and measuring. That's it for our list of 20 affordable woodworking tools. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tool guides, and projects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on the Chop Busters.